Let's start this video with a hacker. Welcome to Set the Coder, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to hack in using Python. So you're gonna say Python, and then import your ID and random. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Anyway, while true loop. Okay, sorry about that. While true loop. Oh my goodness, I don't know what's wrong with me today. I'm just so stressed because this is 100 time. Anyway, ID is the string of uuid.uuid4, which is just a random string from that uuid module that you just saw. Nice. And then we're gonna say trimmed first. So trimmed is just removing some string right here, right there, so this is where the random comes in. Random dot rand int 0 length id minus 1, and then the spaces is gonna be space and between, and this is another time when it comes between 0 and 15, pretty basically. And then finally just print that. Like, that's it. This is literally the whole code. So get ready to get your mind all blown. So let's write this very quickly. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna press enter two times. In one, two, three, get hacked. Woo! And this is how you can make a Python hacking machine pretty basically in Python. Goodbye.